I'm Gayatri, Company Secretary of Go Fashion India Limited, representing our brand Go Colors with immense pride and gratitude. It's an honor for us at Go Colors to stand here today as long-term partners in this inspiring journey of Mahesh Foundation. For the past 3 years, through our corporate social responsibility initiatives, we have humbly supported the remarkable work Mahesh Foundation does for the community. This year, we are especially proud to contribute to the Foundation's nutrition project, which will nourish and empower the children's growth in body and mind. Together with the founder, Mr. Mahesh Jadhav, the dedicated team, the wonderful teachers, the amazing volunteers, and the bright young students that are gathered here today, we celebrate the power of hope, care, and collaboration. Mahesh Foundation is a living example of compassion, hope, and courage. Thousands of children have found a home, education, the kind of love that makes a difference in the world. Mr. Mahesh's journey started with a simple act, helping a little boy facing the hardest battles of life. And today it has grown into a very big dream which all of us are living together through his eyes. How Mahesh sir has built this organization from the start to where it is today. So I thank the amazing volunteers who have stood with him, the students who have trusted in their own skills, the teachers who are helping in running the organization. Every day you practice teamwork, integrity, building a foundation stronger than any wall. I have two small story. So one day there was a couple of balloons that were being flying in the air one by one. So few of these balloons, some balloons were filled with oxygen, some with helium. So the kind of gas that goes into the balloon decides how high the balloon flies. So it's not the exterior appearance that decides how high the students go. It's the intellect that you put in your mind, into your brain, the food that you give your brain, the knowledge that you take inside you decides how high it goes. Are you all ready to take that knowledge inside? Are you all ready to study better, to fly high in life? Very good. Like how Mahesh sir is giving back to the community he has found, you also have to study well, come back and do lot more of like these things to the community. Can you promise me that you will do that? Can you all say I promise? Very good. Thank you. Thank you again to the students, the teachers, the volunteers. Thank you to Mr. Mahesh sir. It's a proud moment for me to meet him after 3 years in person. Special mention to the documentation team that's behind Mahesh Foundation. I just shared this with Mahesh sir that Mahesh Foundation is the only foundation which I don't have to follow for any of the documentation. The process keeps happening. We work with 35 plus NGOs throughout the year, and this is the only foundation where I don't have to really follow up for anything. So thank you to the amazing team who's done this. Thank you, Mr. Mahesh Jadhav. The world is better because of you. Special thanks from Go Colors once again for allowing us to be a part of this remarkable family for the last 3 years. Together, let's nurture dreams, create a brighter tomorrow, and I hope the nutrition project is a great welcome move to benefit the society at large. Thank you all.